I've got these kind of charts. I can begin to measure the contracting function, right? All the various parts of that process and the stakeholders involved in that. And if I have access to that data, so I think in the analogy, right, we used to have to scroll through the tape to get to a specific song. Now I can just, as you mentioned, I can queue that song up instantaneously, or it can be recommended for me. And so by having that foundational data, I can move to predictive, so much like a weather prediction, predictive intelligence about my contracting process. This deal is going to take this long to get through approval. I also have prescriptive. This deal, as it is currently configured, is risky. I recommend, Elliot, that you either change the terms of this agreement or perhaps you further escalate. So by having enough of that data history and enough of the analytics on top of it, I can begin to provide choices to the user, to help information to the user to lead them to make better choices for the firm or the customer, potentially even themselves. And that's really what sets up the top of that capability model, which is cognitive. I can bring intelligence into this picture that has the ability to understand, reason, and learn about my contracting process and provide the insights to the organization that will get us to the outcomes that we're looking to.